Students, we will be discussing this question and its solution. The question says, write the function of following parts in human female reproductive system. So we have to write the function of ovary, oviduct, and the uterus. And B part says, describe in brief the structure and function of placenta. So let us see the solution. The solution says that ovary, the function is to release egg, female gamete, ovum releases estrogen and female hormones. So, in brief, write any one of these in one line or two line. So, coming on to second, oviduct. So, the function is transportation of ovum, egg from ovary to the uterus and site of fertilization. So, it is the basic path which it follows. So, it is used in transportation. Third part is uterus. Uterus is used to development of embryo, or we can say fetus. So these are the three functions in female reproductive system, and here was B part. It is so the second part was about placenta. So it is a disc embedded in uterine wall which contains villi on the embryo side of the tissue and blood space on mother side. Function of placenta can be it provides nourishment to embryo from mother's blood and also helps in removal of waste from embryo to mother's blood. So you can write any one of the function. I hope everybody got it.